Hello, good afternoon. Hello, bro. Am I audible? Hello. Hello, bro. Subhojit. Good afternoon. Bro, am I audible?
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Good afternoon, bro. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good afternoon, bro. Am I audible or not? Yes, sir. Hello, bro. Hello. Hello, R. Hello, bro. Yeah. How are you, bro? Good afternoon, bro. Hello. Hello, R.
Hello.
Yeah. Am I audible? Hello. Am I audible, bro?
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Hello, bro.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Hello, bro. Am I audible? Hello. Good afternoon.
Aftab.
Yeah. Good
How are you?
afternoon. I'm fine. What about you? Are you fine?
Good. Where are you from?
I'm from Bihar.
Bihar. Where from?
Oh, yeah.
Where in Bihar?
In Muzaffarpur.
Oh, I'm from Kishan in Bihar.
Oh, that's good. Congratulations, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what are you doing now?
I'm right now doing B farm.
Doing what?
B pharmaceutical. B farm. B farm.
Bee farm. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. So in that field, what you have to study?
I have to study about medicine.
Oh,
Like,
medicines.
process of medicine. How medicine are made and all.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So you are in final year or you just joined that bee farm?
No, I'm the beginner.
You are just a beginner.
I'm in first year, just complete my first semester and second semester will be going on.
So,
Next 2 months.
in which college you are doing bee farming?
I'm doing B.Pharm from Modern College of Pharmacy, Bhagalpur near Bomsi. Do you know
Bhagalpur.
Bomsi?
What?
Yeah, Bomsi.
Base.
Location is Bomsi, Baka. Mandasi, do you know Mandasi?
No, sorry to say, but I don't know about that.
Yeah. Near Mandasi where my college is located and
Oh, that's good.
far from my home, that's why I was living there.
That's good. So, what's your goal? What would you like to be in future? Means you would like to be, related to farming. What?
I will be drug inspector, inshallah.
Job inspector.
Drug inspector is in inspection for the drugs in medical medical shops and medical helpline वगैरह.
Oh, drug inspector. So
Yeah.
you have to check means what type of drug in the shop, right?
Yeah. Which type of drugs and is it right or wrong or
Yeah, is it legal or not?
yeah.
Oh, is this a government job or a private job?
Yeah, this is government job, but you have to face
So much competition.
practical
Practical.
or an exam like competition exam you have to face.
Oh,
Mostly.
yeah.
Interview and all.
In any field of government sector, there are so many competition. You have to face that competition.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But nothing is impossible. But
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah. By the way, in my childhood, I would like to be an IAS officer, but
Wow, that's great.
yeah, but means when I joined, you can say graduation, and after that my interest is turned now my interest is to become a web developer, to become a software engineer. So that I am doing a course of web development. Yeah.
All the very best, buddy. All the very best.
Okay, thank you. But my mindset is completely changed, and my interest is completely changed after knowing about web development, how website works. Means I'm so attached with web developing, and I'm so attached with computer technology. Means this is the modern era is all about technology, and yeah, I'm interested on that. Yeah, so
So, right now you are doing job?
no, I'm pursuing. Means I'm doing web developing. I'm doing a course of web development. After completing my course, I would like to do a job in a good company. Yeah. But before 1 month, I was doing a job related to computer, but I quit the job just because there are so many time my spend in that job, and I have no time to improve myself. So that I quit the job, and now currently I am improving myself, my skills. And well, I would like to say, you know about typing, means typing with keyboard. Yeah. So I would like to say, means from lockdown, I learned typing, and I do typing practice regularly.
Typing, which type of typing? Are you talking about the stenographer?
I don't have idea about the stenographer, but I means I
Typing is in keyboard or anything else?
and in a keyboard, typing in keyboard. So yeah, so from lockdown till now I means do practice regularly of typing, and yeah, my typing speed is now so huge, about 100 WPM, and I got rank 13. I got rank 13 in all over typing competition in worldwide. So that's the proud moment for me. Yeah. So I have a vision to win a Guinness Book of World Record in typing, so that I am doing practice daily to improve my.
All the very best.
Yeah. I would like to means proud my nation to the other nation. I would like to proud myself and my nation, so that I am doing.
Okay, all the very best, all the very best.
Okay. Okay,
I
bro.
hope you will be proud of our nation and proud to be your parents and proud to be yourself. All the
Oh,
very best.
okay, bro. Thanks. So, what about your interest? Would you like to explore your interest with me? Like my interest is to do typing. My interest is to miss making website. My interest is to manage website. That's about me. My interest. And what you like? What about your interest? Would you like to explore?
My interest is to explore the world
Oh man.
myself and first of all I would like to start a business
Oh.
in couple of months or 3 or 4 months.
So which type of business? Which type of business you would like to start?
I will run maybe restaurant industry.
Restaurant industry.
Yeah.
So do you know means any type of food you know about means how to make that type of food?
Yeah. I know how to make biryani, how to make all of this stuff, but
Oh man, that's good.
For my further training and all, I will go to Delhi for 25 and train my staff, and I will train myself also.
Oh, that's good. So you would like to be owner of your restaurant. After that, you would like to explore the world. So I have a idea to you. Means you have to create a YouTube channel, and you have to start vlogging.
Vlogging, yeah. I was supposed to start, but
There is a lack of confidence.
confidence, or is it confidence? Yeah, confidence.
No man, you have to start. No matter you have confidence or not. After starting, yeah, your confidence will increase.
Actually, I'm camera side. Then how can I handle it? Is any idea?
Yeah, bro. I'm also YouTuber, and I made almost about 120 videos on my YouTube channel. And yeah,
Wow.
in my
What's your name?
my name
What's your name in
YouTube channel name. My YouTube channel name is The Topper Info.
the proper info?
Yeah, I would like to say
Okay,
means
I will check.
okay. I would like to say means in Matric I became one of the state topper of Bihar. So that I choose my YouTube name as the topper info. Yeah, in that YouTube channel I teaches typing, means how to be a typer like
You
me.
are in state topper?
Yeah, state topper rank 9th holder.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Wow. You are great, man.
Oh, thanks so much. So, in my YouTube channel, I teaches means how to type, how to be a typer like me, and also I teaches to the 12th and 10th students of maths and English, and I explored my computer technology idea to the on my YouTube channel, and I also explored how to make a website, how can manage website on my YouTube channel. So that channel is related to education, means some person related to learn something, and I would like to explore all the things that I know in my YouTube channel. That's my vision. Means I would like to help a person who like to means know something that I know.
You are exactly what are you doing? Doing vlogging, or informative video? Which type of
I means I created two type of channel. The first one is related to education, and its name is dot opera info, and the second one, in that second one I am doing masti, all the type of masti with my friends. Yeah, with my friends and with
prank
yeah.
vlogging and all.
Vlogging. Yeah. And the second YouTube channel name is Masti with Dear AK. Yeah, Masti with Dear AK. So yeah, so I'm doing all of the thing. But yeah, I'm passionate about one channel, that is the Topper Info. I would like to explore information to the channel. Yeah.
Okay, bro, tell me one thing.
Okay, please.
How can I handle myself from camera side?
Oh, okay, bro. Okay. So first of all, I would like to say in my first video, I'm so hesitate. I don't know how to face the camera. That's my first time. But yeah, looking looking camera as a person. I as my friend means I
Okay.
yeah
Looking into camera like he is my friend
yeah
in front of me, and
yeah.
I'm gossip with him.
Yeah. And yeah, after making one video with so much hesitation, I don't like to upload that, because in that video I am not doing the best. So after that I do again that thing, and in the next thing, yeah retake, and after retaking I got that the videos are so smooth, and yeah, I have means my confidence is increasing means when I do retake. So that's the initial step to begin with a YouTube channel. Yeah, you have lack of confidence, but after doing a retake and retake, you have so much confidence.
Okay, thank you, buddy.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah,
you for
bro.
the information.
Okay, bro. Okay.
So where are you from in Muzaffarpur?
Yeah, I am from in Muzaffarpur, from a village side, and its name is Sakra.
Okay, Sakra.
Yeah.
So what are you doing right now? Are you in college?
Yeah, I'm in college. I am just improving my skill of web developing, of making website, and after that I would like to do a job in a good company. And yeah, I'm also and
You are doing which degree?
uh no. I'm doing graduation with math honors.
Math honors.
Yeah, but my passion is to become a software engineer, so that I'm doing online course of web development. Yeah, on
From which platform?
from iNeuron website.
Your website.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it an online platform?
Yeah, it's fully online.
Online. Okay. Is it payable or?
No, you have to pay. You have to purchase the course.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's a live course, man.
I got it. Just like data scientist and all.
Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah, bro.
Web developer, data scientist.
Yeah.
All the stuff is from all the IT sector. Huh?
Yeah, IT sector. Yeah, you know about that. So basically, I am so passionate of coding. I love to coding and eating. And bro,
Is also, yeah.
I would like to eat biryani with your hand.
Inshallah, one day come to Finland and I will make biryani for you.
Okay, bro.
Inshallah.
Okay. First of all, you have to make your restaurant, and after that, I will definitely come there. Here, there.
Okay, bro. You're welcome.
Okay, bro.
Come in my restaurant.
Yeah. What will your restaurant name? Would you like to share with me?
Exactly.
You have no idea.
Not no idea, but
Okay.
related to my family or anything.
Oh.
Later I will be.
Okay.
Later I will be.
Okay. Okay, bro.
So, okay.
Have a nice day.
Okay, bro. Have a nice day.
Okay. Bye.